Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review on MobiworkX. I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the payments I received from this platform and some of the things you can claim for yourself. Without wasting any more time, let's just dive into it. This is how their homepage looks like. As you can see, it says MobiworkX, paid service, complete online service for money. The sign up process is quite simple. You simply click there and you are going to be prompted to a page like this one. You enter your first name, your last name, your mobile number, and your country code. This platform is available for people in Egypt, Ghana, India, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, and Tanzania. And then you come here and click the language, which is obviously going to be English, and then you put in your email address, which is optional. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to click into my account just to show you a few things inside. After clicking into my account or signing in, I am prompted to a page like this one. As you can see, my current balance is $2.75. This is where I get my surveys, and there are no available surveys right now. These are the rewards that you get within the survey, some of the things you can claim when you have reached their minimum cash out threshold. As you can see right there, you can quickly redeem your airtime, which only needs a minimum withdrawal amount of $5, G codes, which only needs a minimum withdrawal of $10, as you can see right there. And you can also claim your PayPal, which only needs a minimum of $5. So you need to have a PayPal account, and you should note and read their instruction or some of the things that their terms and condition. As you can see right there, it says your MobiworkX registration. Your MobiworkX registered email address must be added to your PayPal account. PayPal charges a 2% handling fees for transferring money to your PayPal account. So you shouldn't be surprised if ever you claim a price of $5 and that you don't get $5 into your account. Just note that there is a transaction fee of 2% that will be withdrawn from your amount. And they also have a visa that you can claim, and the minimum is $10. You also need to come in and complete your profile. So you just come here to the account and complete your profile. This helps them select the surveys that are suitable for your profile, so you won't have to be disqualified for every survey that you do. So I'm quickly going to be showing you guys some of the payments I got from this platform and the potential that you might also get these type of payments for yourself. Here are some of the payments I received. As you can see, my first payment was on the 25th of February 2022. This was my very first payment from this company. It was sent by Send AB, sent to my PayPal account, but it's from MobiworkX. The company that sent me this amount was this one, but the money is from MobiworkX. And we're going to look at my second payment. My second payment was on the 1st of March. So on the 1st of March, my second payment was $4.90, which was $5. But because of the transaction fees, I got $4.19. 90 cent. My third payment was on the 21st of April. On the 21st of April, I got the same amount. And on the And on the 21st of May, I got $4.90 from this company right here, but it is from MobiworkX. As you can see the date right there, the 21st of May, I got that amount from MobiworkX. So I'm quickly going to show you my last payment. My last payment was on the 20th of June. Not so long ago, I got $4.19 90 cents, but it was initially $5. So yes, guys, these are some of the payments that you can receive for yourself if you are consistent within their platform and you complete surveys. They do have surveys, and their surveys are very engaging. It's something that you can relate to. Some of the products are the product that you use on your daily basis, so it won't be difficult for you to actually participate in their surveys, and you don't always get disqualified because their product that anyone can use. So do try it out yourself. The link is down on the description box, and I've got a couple of surveys that you can look into that are similar to MobiWorks, so you can just take advantage of that and participate in other surveys. Down on the description box there are links. With that being said, have a good one.